Last night I was overheating really bad. I'm not sure if my reservoir cap has a leak. Right up under the thermostat. So I've been having a lot of leaks. Coolant leak, and I see some oil underneath my gasket in my exhaust too, so it could be a head gasket. I don't know, man. So I just took off the upper hose for the go into the thermostat housing, and underneath it you can see there was some type of leak. It's a bunch of coolant just coming out all across the upper hose. I saw some coolant like on top of the radiator there. I don't know if that's a water pump or if it's just a thermostat housing leaking. I mean, look at all that gunk and coolant underneath. So I'm definitely thinking it's the thermostat housing, and the thermostat may be clogged. But I don't have the tool to get this fan off, so I may be stuck.